So today we are going to discuss about a very important topic. You know what? There are so many people who want to learn this language and they want to learn many vocabularies, many phrases, many idioms, right? And you know what? They try to learn many things in their beginning days, from their beginning days. When they start learning English, they become super excited. They try to learn each and everything in a short period of time and they try to cram those things. They try to mug up those things. Do you know the meaning of cram? I hope you know about it. If you don't know, so cramming is called ratification. Yes, and mugging up is also ratification. Okay, so if you don't know about it, so you can write it down in your notebook. And yes, don't try to cram it. Okay, just try to use it in your daily life. Okay, so the thing I was talking about is all about there are so many people who want to learn so many things in their beginning days. And in their beginning days, what happens actually, they feel super excited to learn this language. They become like they think like, anyhow I want to learn this language, I want to speak this language. This is speaking, like, we feel a lot whenever we try to speak this language and we are unable to speak. So we feel like little bit that how to speak this language, and in order to speak this language we learn a lot of things, right? We try to cram a lot of things, but what happens when it comes to speaking English? We are not able to speak. And now the way I'm speaking, I know very well that I'm not speaking good. And you may be thinking like this, what kind of things is he's talking about? If he's unable to speak this language, why is he coming here and why is he recording his videos? Just to improve my English. I am just speaking here just to improve my English, just to build my confidence. Okay, so if you are someone and watching this video, so my friend, just let me do whatever I'm doing. And if you like, so you can watch. If you want to get something here, if you want to get something from here, so you can get. Otherwise you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, there is no any type of compulsion actually. So yeah, I was talking about that. You know what happens in our beginning days? We really try to cram those things, many vocabularies, many phrases, many things, many sentence structure in order to speak this language fluently. But what happens, we are unable to speak, right? The thing is that we are not using it in our daily life, whatever we are learning. First of all, I would like to tell you one thing. If we are beginner, so first of all, we don't need to learn so many things at once. This thing should be clear. If you are learning something, like for example, if you are learning sentences, so try to choose a particular sentence and try to work upon that sentence. Okay, and according to that sentence, try to frame some of the sentences also. Try to frame some of the sentences, and whatever vocabularies you are learning while framing those sentences, just to use those vocabularies while speaking this language. I mean, writing is a different thing. Like if you are learning something while framing the sentence, so that is a different thing. That thing you will have to do. Okay, in order to learn those sentences, in order to get command of those sentences, right? But if you want to speak this language, so my friend, you will have to speak this language. Okay, whether you will have to stand in front of the mirror or with someone else, you will have to practice. And those same sentences, those same vocabularies, you need to use in your speaking. Okay, while speaking, if you are speaking, so try to use those vocabularies, try to use those sentences while speaking this language. And in this way you can remember those vocabularies easily. And one thing also, don't try to learn many vocabularies at once. Just, there are so many people who want to learn many vocabularies, like so many vocabularies. Whatever they see, oh my god, it is the meaning of this, it is the meaning of this, oh my god, what is the meaning of this? I mean, they become like very excited to learn so many meanings, so many vocabularies. And they try to learn many vocabularies, right? And what happens, after some time, when they don't use it, they forget, right? So it is a very common thing, right? And we think like, oh, it is very hard and we are not able to speak this language, we are not able to even remember this thing. How to remember these all the things, how to memorize these all the things, how to learn this language, how to speak this language? What is the reason why we are not getting fluency, why we are not achieving fluency, why we are not able to speak this language fluently, you know? So we are able to speak, but we are not using right method. It is the problem, right? See, what it asks, what English asks, it asks that it says just you need to use this. I mean, if you are just learning this language, so try to use those words while speaking. If you are beginner, you don't know anything, you are not able to speak this language, still you can learn, still you can memorize many vocabularies. But must remember one thing, don't try to learn many vocabularies at once. Just try to learn few vocabularies, like 4 5 every single day. If you just imagine, if you just learn only 4 5 vocabularies every single day, so how many vocabularies you can learn till the next year, till the next month? How many vocabularies you can learn? And don't try to forget, I mean, don't try to avoid those things. Like, try to use those vocabularies again and again in your daily life, in your daily conversation. Okay, it is the point. You will have to use those vocabularies again and again, and this in this way only in this way you can learn those vocabularies, you can remember those vocabularies, you can keep those vocabularies in your mind for a long time. Okay, then you will not have to face this type of problem, like forgetting problem again and again. Okay, and yeah, you know what, before some time when I was just learning this language, when I was not able to speak this language, so I also used to do like the same. You know, I also used to mug up, I also used to cram a lot of vocabularies. And even the more I used to mug up, the more I used to cram, the more I used to forget. Whenever I tried to recall those vocabularies again, so sometimes I was able to recall, sometimes those vocabularies used to come like, yeah, it is the meaning of this, and most of the time I was not able to recall those vocabularies again just to speak this language. So it was very common problem. It was very I would say it was frustrating, so it was bothering me a lot, and then I thought that how to learn these vocabularies, how to remember these vocabularies for a long time, so that I cannot forget it while speaking, and then I started going outside, like for speaking English. I started going outside. I used to speak while walking. I used to speak to myself alone. Yes, there was no one, still there is no one here, and I speak alone. I just learn alone. Whatever I do with myself, right? So you know what, then simply when I started speaking this language slowly, I was not perfect at all. I was speaking broken English, and sometimes after speaking just a few words, I used to think in Hindi again, that now what to say this, what to say that, and I used to use my phone a lot, most of the time. With the help of this phone today, I'm able to speak whatever I'm speaking right now. Okay, and I didn't use any type of application, never ever, because I was speaking to myself. Okay, and still now also I'm speaking to myself. There is no one and no any application, nothing like that. But I'm not saying that you should not use any type of application. You can use and you should use, because if you are not speaking to myself, it is just little too hard and little too, like, boring type. Okay, you can think, so it is not for, like, everyone can speak, but if they want to speak, so they can speak. But most of the people don't like to speak to their own self, right? So that is why I'm saying using an application is not bad. You can use and you should use. Okay, it's a very good thing, and you can learn so many things, right? And so many people have improved their English language just with the help of these type of applications, you know. So it is now I would say it is necessary nowadays. The people who really want to learn this language just fluently English, so my friend, it is necessary to have an application for improving our English, right? So this is the way I was using, and I used to speak, I used to learn a lot of vocabularies just in this way, and not a lot of, but a few vocabularies every single day I used to learn. Okay, and the reason behind that I am not able to speak now is all about my consistency, is all about my practice, is all about time, because I was not giving my, like, you know, full time to this language, and I was not free for this language, just to learn this language, just to improve this language. I was little bit unaware about it, so that is why now I am not able to speak. I am just struggling while speaking, right? So now I am just improving day by day. My English is improving every single day. I'm learning something new. And how am I learning? Simply whatever I'm listening. So I don't listen for a long time and multiple types of videos. I just listen one video only for, like, it could be 1 hour, it could be 40 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever it is. It is up to us how long we want to listen. Okay, but listening is important. Don't avoid this. Just listen at least for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I mean, as long as you can. Okay, so you will have to listen it. Okay, and just I listen for some time, and then whatever vocabularies they use, I just try to write it down in my notebook. And some of the vocabularies, I can remember some of the vocabularies even while when they talk, like when the speaker is talking something, and I am just listening to him or her. So meanwhile I can learn some of the vocabularies, you know, if any vocabulary is very interesting. So just as soon as I heard that vocabulary, I just keep it in my mind, and I don't forget it now, because I use it, you know. Just after listening to them, I just use it in my daily life, in my daily conversation. Okay, so I don't forget it now, and I am learning so many vocabularies now. And in this way I am just learning. In this way I'm improving my English. In this way I'm speaking this language every single day. So my friend, don't try to cram the things, and just try to speak, just try to use those things in your daily life, and you will see that you will not forget it again. Okay, try to use those things again and again. Okay, and just this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.